Welcome to my channel. Make sure you like, share, and comment on all videos. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you are here, it's because your first sign told you that you need to update your MedPros. Private Miles?
Here.
Good. You are assigned to booth 3. During this hearing test, you will be tested on your ability to simply hear. After this hearing test, I will show you how to properly clean out your ear using a cotton swab instead of a hairpin, the bottom of a lollipop, or your finger. Take off all glasses and silence all cell phones.
Ma'am. If I can't use my glasses, I won't be able to hear. Can I keep my glasses on?
Glasses cannot be worn during this test. Place your glasses down in front of you so we can begin.
Ow.
Will you be okay?
I'm okay.
During this test, you may not talk, and please limit all movement. In front of you, you have a set of headphones. Please put in your headphones and size them appropriately. Also in front of you, you will have a button. You will need to press this button anytime you hear a beeping sound. Good luck, and I will see you all when the test is done. At this time, you may close your curtains. Stop pressing the button when no sound is being played. At this time, please remove your headset and put down the button. See, that wasn't that bad, was it? When I give you back these papers, these are your test results. I know they look like the Da Vinci Code, but don't worry.
Man, I couldn't hear shit.
If I say your name, I need you to come see me after this.
I couldn't hear nor see. I know
Sergeant
my
First
left
Class
headphones
Sitcom,
broke.
Private Snuffy, Private Miles.
Excuse me, Sergeant First Class. What happens if you fail this test? You get chaptered out?